Welcome to the wrap-up for week 7 of separation processes. So this week we've introduced film mass transfer coefficients, and we looked at how these are useful in many of the diffusion type problems that we analyse where we don't know the path length or the film mass transfer thickness, which is quite often the case. Importantly, we showed where you can get film mass transfer coefficients from, both from graphical correlations presented as graphs or from equations, and they can be found in a variety of different places, for example in the textbook for this unit, but other books like Perry's and on the internet. In the second lecture this week, it was an important lecture where we introduced the concept of overall mass transfer coefficients. So overall mass transfer coefficients are particularly useful where we don't know the interfacial concentration, which is quite often the case. So with overall mass transfer coefficients, the flux expression just relies on the measures of the composition in the two bulk phases. So it makes it much easier to do our analysis. There's a fair bit happening at the moment in terms of assessment for separation processes. So today, Wednesday, your assignment 3 is due in, and next Monday in this unit we have class test 2. So the topics that may be assessed in class test 2 are distillation, liquid-liquid extraction, and molecular diffusion, but not including mass transfer coefficients. There will be 2 questions on the test, and as usual it will be held on Monday afternoon in Building 60, rooms EH2 and EH3. I hope you enjoy the Anzac Day public holiday tomorrow and have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday morning next week. And just to remind you, there is no lecture on Wednesday next week for separation processes.